Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix accounting issues with Intuit, full guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing accounting issues with Intuit, first gather all relevant financial documents. Review your recent transactions in QuickBooks or your Intuit account. Identify any discrepancies, such as incorrect amounts or missing entries. Next, check your bank reconciliation process. Ensure that your bank statements match your recorded transactions in Intuit. If discrepancies exist, highlight the transactions that do not match. Now, navigate to the chart of accounts in your Intuit software. Verify that all accounts are correctly set up according to your business needs. If you find any accounts that are not properly categorized, edit them as necessary. Proceed to the Reports section to generate a profit and loss statement. Analyze this report for any unusual figures or trends that require attention. Return to the main dashboard to access the Transactions option. Filter transactions by date and type to locate any potential errors. Once errors are identified, click on the transactions to open and edit them. Ensure that you make the correct adjustments, recording accurate dates and amounts. After correcting transactions, run the reconciliation process again. Check if the discrepancies have been resolved. If there are still issues, consider running the Rebuild Data utility. This feature helps fix data integrity issues in your QuickBooks file. Make sure to back up your data before attempting the rebuild. Once the rebuild is complete, check your financial reports again. If problems persist, consult the Intuit support community or customer service. Take notes on the issues you're facing and the steps you've taken for reference. Finally, conduct regular reviews of your accounts to prevent future discrepancies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.